Hi, this is Gadget and we're going to unbox the SKK Mobile Marian V1. So let's open the box. So the Marian V1 is a 5-inch phablet. It's a quad-core device. Has 8-megapixel main camera. So let's remove the sticker. So let's check what other else inside the box. As indicated in the box, there's a free case. It's actually a flip cover case. There's also the battery. The battery is a 1750 milliampere. The USB cable, charger, headset, user manual, warranty card, and another paper. This is for the dealers or the vendor. The back has a textured finish. So let's open it so we can insert the battery. So as you can see, it's a dual SIM device. One regular SIM and the other one is, I believe, is micro SIM. So let's insert the battery. So let's turn it on while we are waiting. So at the top you will see the 3.5 audio jack. The left side has the volume rocker. The right side has the power button, and the bottom part has the micro USB port and the microphone pinhole. So this is the unit. It has a full wide VGA resolution. But it has an IPS screen, so the viewing angles is quite great. Okay, that's it guys, and this is the unboxing of Marian V1. Thank you.